Hello Dnation and welcome back to a classic unbox and review episode. Today we're going to be unboxing the Triumph 3 and this is a 118 scale licensed diecast replica muscle motorcycle manufactured by Welly. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, the packaging on this one is a window type Triumph affiliated boxing manufactured by Welly with all the product branding and information. So let's take a look at this premium boxing before we crack this thing open. And with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. To begin with, this model is a licensed diecast motorcycle replica of the Triumph 3, which is a muscle motorcycle, and this is a premium and well-detailed replica and has a good build quality and quite a bit of intricate details to it. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking like its life-size counterpart. This premium model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 1.8 inches in width, and weighs in at about 180 grams. That makes it quite sturdy. This model also comes with spot-on paint apps and branding details and has free rolling wheels, excellent suspension, a kickstand and a lot more details that makes it a premium collectible. And with this licensed model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And my favorite feature about this well-detailed diecast motorcycle is the amazingly manufactured massive displacement engine. Kindly let me know in the comments below as to what are your favorite features about this amazing diecast motorcycle. And so with that being said, now let's place this muscle machine on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and functionality. Kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. And while we're at it, I just want to let you know that I have some ideas to make a customization with this particular diecast motorcycle. So stay tuned for the upcoming episodes. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium diecast model. And so with that being said, let's place this diecast motorcycle on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And as we take a look at this muscle machine, here are a few fun facts. The Rocket 3 project started in 1998, led by Triumph product range manager Clifford, and started with a lot of research, especially in the US, where big cruisers were selling well. The main competitors were the Harley-Davidson Ultraglide and the Honda Goldwing. So the initial idea was to develop a 1600cc performance cruiser. The Triumph 3 is a 3-cylinder motorcycle made by Triumph Motorcycles Ltd. At 2294cc, it had the largest displacement engine of any production motorcycle. The name Rocket 3 is derived from the 1968 BSA 750cc pushrod triple, the Rocket 3, which was a badge-engineered version of the original Triumph Trident. The Rocket 3 was awarded the Machine of the Year by Motorcycle News at the 2004 NEC Motorcycle Show. And for further information on the Triumph Rocket 3, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 118 scale diecast motorcycle, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go ahead and check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And as I mentioned earlier, based on the amazing looks of this replica, I got some ideas to do a DIY customization project using this model. So stay tuned and look forward to this one, as this is gonna be a one-of-a-kind mod. And this brings us to the end of this amazing review episode. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our exciting and upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below. And stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.